What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Auto Rehab, part 2 of the Porsche Cayman build.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do.
We're about to bring her back from the body shop and just need to touch up a few minor details on it, and it should be ready for the streets. Alright, so we got the car back from our body guy Chris. As always, he does an exceptional job. Look at this right here. Car looks brand new. We got, like I said, a few little minor things left to do. We need to go ahead and secure this bumper, put the inner plastics inside, get the rim. Unfortunately, the rim we bought is black, so this is just a spare tire and rim we had laying around. So we need to get these rims powder coated, and the plan is to get these windows tinted, and that's it, man. She'll be ready for the road. So we're about to pull her inside the shop, pull the wheels off, put the plastics on it, put it back together, and get her on the road. I got the rims back from powder coating, so I'm gonna go ahead and put them on, and then I want to get the windows tinted, and pretty much that's it. Time to enjoy the car. I'll do a price reveal at the end and see what you guys think about it. If it's worth fixing up a salvage Porsche Cayman or not.
Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I know. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time, and I don't wanna fight with you.
So we got this new project we're working on today.
Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, cause the pain is in my eyes. Feels like I could break it any moment and shatter your insides. If you feel my mind, call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie to you. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie to you. I don't wanna fight. you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie to you. I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie.
Alright, you guys, we just finished getting this baby tinted. Everything turned out super nice. I'll show some more videos and pictures of it in the morning once I get it all cleaned up. We're ready for pickup. Looks like a totally different car now. Oh yeah. We end up going 45 on the windshield and 15 on the sides. That's my buddy's formula. So all he does is 15 and 45. He used to do 50 on the windshield. He switched out on me a little bit, but it's okay. It's what the customer wants. We do it. Looks amazing.
Guys, here's the car. Finally got it back in the shop. It is finished and got it tinted.
Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you, so last thing I know. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry.
So guys, so the exhaust came in for the Porsche Cayman S, and I reached out to my buddy Jeremy here at Inman Mufflers. This is his place right here. It's the best guy you want to come to for any of your exhaust and muffler work. You know what I mean, right?
What's going on, guys? We're located in Inman, South Carolina. We do anything from turbo diesels to Porsches, whatever you got, we can do it.
Literally, best in town. Prices are great, man. And you guys just see a little bit of work. Of course, there's not a lot of fabrication or exhaust work that goes into this one. It's the catback, but these boys can do anything.
I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you, so last thing I If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not.
There it is. Got some brackets and stuff in here. Alright, so the issue with this is, as y'all can see, right there is supposed to be some test pipes that run to here, but the problem is these bolts were so rusty down here that we were worried that if we tried to break them off, it would break the headers or the cats. So therefore, Jeremy had to do some fabrication work. Well, it looks awesome. What's up, YouTube world? Alright, it's that time. We're in the price reveal. As promised, I'm gonna reveal to y'all what she cost me. All right, so from Copart, the total that includes the fees, all that, blah, 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 $11,238. Shipping, $400. Tail lamp was $310. That's one tail lamp. Rear bumper was $290. I thought it was a fairly good deal. Rim was $280. Now to get them mounted, balanced, new lugs, and get them powder coated, we're looking roughly around $800. Body shop, $1,500. Frame machine was $1,100. By frame machine, I mean the work that went into the quarter panel, the door, putting the suspension on, all that was included in the price. Plus we have window tint, it was $300. And the exhaust, as y'all saw in the very end, came out around $400. It wasn't a perfect bolt-on exhaust, but thankfully Jeremy was able to fabricate it and make it work, and it sounds amazing. So total for me came out $16,500, $16,600. Now keep that in mind, guys, that does not include my parts that I already had. I already had the quarter panel, the door, the suspension. I mean, I already had all that, so of course it came out cheaper for me. If someone else were to buy it and didn't have the parts, you'd probably be looking closer to $20,000. Either way, the car came out $16,500 for me. Comment below, let me know what you guys think. Is that a good deal for salvage or not? Personally, I think it's a killer deal. I couldn't be happier. And as always, man, thank you guys for watching this channel. I'm gonna try to upload some new, builds this week, maybe next week. Don't hold me to it. And if you're new to it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next episode. Peace.
Just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would